Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Jacob Lundy with the Clark-Esposito Law Firm PC. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about what to do if you receive an FDA warning letter regarding tobacco products. Keep watching this video to learn about the 5 initial steps your business should take in responding to a warning letter. With FDA's pre-market tobacco applications deadline now behind us, FDA has dramatically increased the number of warning letters going out to vapor companies of all types. These are considered enforcement priorities for FDA now. This increase in FDA activity has also increased the number of companies reaching out to the Clark-Esposito Law Firm with questions about responding to FDA warning letters. Fortunately, there are some very straightforward and practical initial steps that any business can take to manage a response to an FDA warning letter. These initial steps include: 1. Conduct an internal investigation to determine the cause or causes of the violations alleged by FDA. 2. Taking corrective action to prevent the same violations from occurring again. 3. Preparing a response letter to FDA explaining the specific steps your company has taken to prevent future violations. Include copies of any related materials in support of your case. 4. All FDA warning letters come with a deadline for response. Where your business is unable to take corrective action within the deadline provided by FDA, always explain the reason for a delay and your anticipated date for taking corrective action in a response by the deadline to FDA. 5th, and finally, be sure to send your response letter to FDA before the deadline provided in the original FDA warning letter. And it's important to use delivery notification service so you have a record that FDA received your response within the deadline. The most important aspect of addressing an FDA warning letter is not to ignore it. FDA will not simply go away, and ignoring a warning letter can turn an opportunity for taking corrective action into an enforcement action by FDA, and FDA penalties can be steep. Keep in mind that anything you say to FDA in a response can be used against you at a later time. Therefore, it's very important that you give a very measured and careful response in your disclosures to FDA. For this reason, it is usually advisable to have professional, experienced counsel in tobacco compliance to assist your business in analyzing warning letters and providing responses to FDA. If you have received an FDA warning letter or have general questions about FDA tobacco compliance, please feel free to reach out to us at contact@clarkespositolaw.com or by telephone at 917-546-6997, or you're welcome to go to our website and fill out our contact form and send us a message. We are determined to help your business.
Subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be the first to know when we upload a new video. Check out our playlist if you want to see more of our videos, and comment below and introduce yourself. We'll see you soon.